I spent almost 30 hours printing this organizer and nearly used 1 kilogram of filament. But the real question is, was it really worth it? You tell me in the comments. Designing a simple box is very easy with Fusion 360, especially for this organizer that I used 3D fillet tool to create curved edges that Tinkercad doesn't support it. Stay with me to show you how I did it in few minutes. Alright, I start by creating a sketch. I select create sketch, then choose the X and Z axis. I use the 2-point rectangle tool to draw the sketch for my small box. I repeat the same steps for the medium box, using the dimensions I provided earlier. And finally, for the large box. As you see, now we have 3 rectangles, small, a medium, and a large. I finish the sketch and move on to extrude to turn them into 3D shapes. Now the 3D shapes are created. I use the fillet tool to round all the edges. I select each edge individually, even the ones hidden at the back. I set the radius to 10 millimeters, which I think works well for all edges. With the edges rounded, we now create holes inside the objects using the shell tool, setting the thickness to 2 millimeters. As you can see, these boxes are easily created, and now we are ready to print them quickly. Doing this in Tinkercad would have taken a lot more time. Now I save my project. I select each box one by one and export them in STL or OBJ format so I can print them in a slicer. I use Bambolab Studio as the slicer.
I print all 11 pieces in 6 batches.
If you enjoy practical 3D printing projects like this, let me know what should I design next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.